Marite koutou. Are you ready to dance? Are you ready to sing? Are you ready to have some fun? Can you hear the trumpets? That must mean it's toy time! Hōroke tātou.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. It's toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's toy time fun and when I'm really excited. We gonna have a good time and you're all invited. We got Tama, Jojo, Ma, Wolfie on marimba. And we got Anika Moore, yeah, we on my cuss. I'll tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on toy time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. Maya, Tama, Jojo, Anita. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. It's toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time.
Kia ora e hoa, I'm Jojo, and today's show is all about tuahangata, our heroes. Hi Jojo, kia ora everyone, ko Maya aho, and I'm ready to learn about heroes.
That sounds like fun. Ko Oma aho.
And I'm Wolfie.
Hiya! Kia ora, I'm Tama, and did I just hear you guys say we're learning about heroes today? Like superheroes, the guys or girls that wear capes
Aw,
or
tai hoa,
fly?
Tama. Not superheroes, but everyday heroes.
Huh? Like, no magic powers?
Not exactly. Hey Mohio,
Tēnā koutou. How can I help?
what is an everyday hero?
A hero is someone who's admired for their bravery and courage. Heroes are always helping other people.
Oh, like you, Mōhio. You always help us, so... Well, you're a hero.
Why, thank you, Tama.
My mum is my hero. She looks after me when I'm sick and she makes the best sandwiches. What about you, Maya? My teacher's my everyday hero because she helps me learn and she's really nice. Yeah, teachers are heroes for sure. Come on, everyone. Let's go find out more about our everyday heroes.
Okay.
Have you met a hero? I have met a few. Always helping people. That's just what they do. Nurses help you when you're sore or when you've got the flu. Have you met a hero? You could be a hero too. Have you met a hero? I have met a few. Always helping people. That's just what they do. Firefighters put out flames and come to the rescue. Have you met a hero? You could be a hero too. Have you met a hero? I have met a few. Always helping people, that's just what they do. Police are there to keep you safe, they will look out for you. Have you met a hero? You could be a hero too.
Jojo! Wow, you've created an entire city.
Yeah, you've got roads and buildings and everything.
Oh, it's not quite finished. Will you help me put the last buildings in?
I'm Marika.
Yes, we will.
Okay. What time is it? Toy time, it must be Mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun.
All was quiet as the sun came over Cardboard City. Until suddenly, Fluffy the cat got stuck on the roof of the tallest building.
This looks like a job for a Cardboard City hero. Don't worry, kitten. Here comes Super Jojo.
Meanwhile, across town, firefighter Tama receives a 111 call to say that a building was on fire.
Here I am. Where's the fire? Oh, it's right there. Thanks.
Thanks, firefighter Tama. Excuse me, Officer Maya. I seem to have lost my superhero car.
Never fear, Officer Meyer is here. I'll help you find it, Super Jojo. Here you go, Super Jojo.
Ah, thanks.
No problem. It's all in a day's work as a
Cardboard City hero.
Whoa! Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz. Hey, today I'm going to be making some paper planes. You want to make some with me? We're going to see which one flies the best. Let's do it. All right, my mates. First, we're going to have to start with some paper. OK, so first we need to fold it in half. Yeah, OK, cool. Now, step 2, we need to make two triangles, OK? Tapatoru. Step 3, we're gonna fold our big triangle over. Awesome. Now we're gonna take our little itty bitty witty triangle and we're gonna fold that over our 2 big triangles. Fold down our wings on each side. 1. You can make them however you want. It doesn't matter, whānau, you can just wing it. OK, and there it is. Perfect. OK, I want to make some more. Let's do it. Me. Let's do another one. I'm gonna put flaps on this one and see if it'll fly straight. Let's do it. All right, my cuzzies, we're gonna make one more and then we're gonna have ourselves a competition. I'm gonna make a white one. Check it out. Nice. What do you think's going to be the best? Do you think the white one's going to be the best? Do you think the green one's going to be the best? Maybe the orange one. This one looks fast as meow. Or is it going to be our OG, the Corfly one? Let's go outside and figure it out, eh? All right, my cuzzies, now it's time to fly them. Corfly first. Whoa, that was pretty good. Let's go for orange this time. Here we go. Don't let me down, orange. Let's go, green. Ooh, that was close, Whānau. I think Karaka's still in the lead. All right, we got Ma to go. Let's see what happens. Come on, come on. That didn't fly very well at all. I think Karaka is the winner! Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, Whānau. Ka kite.
Dear Posty, thank you for always delivering my mail, even when it's raining. You're my hero. One down, 34 more heroes to go.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Hero.
Hero who?
Hero I am.
Hero, my friend.
Yeah, hero to you too. Oh, we're gonna have so much fun today. Do you want to see what I brought to play with?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay, I'll show you. Tito, I've got a police car, and I've also got a fire truck, and I've got an ambulance.
Oh, emergency vehicles.
Yeah.
I love emergency vehicles. What are the tubes for?
Oh, well, I'll show you. Come on. Oh, Tama.
Kia ora, Buzz. Oh, is this what you brought to play with today?
Sure is. Hey, and I brought your favourite too, a Wakapatuahi. Oh, fire truck. Yeah, yeah. Give it a go.
All right, here I come.
Yeah.
Oh!
Now watch this, watch this. Yep, calling Fire Chief Tama.
That's me.
Yes, this is Buzz. I need you down here at emergency. We have a huge fire project.
No way.
Calling all units for support. Send them down here now.
Okay, I forgot that first part, but I'll be there. Dispatch!
Oh!
Hey, cool. I want to help.
Okay. Here we go.
Alay.
Hello.
Yes, this is Officer Jojo.
Officer Jojo, it's Buzz. We need you down here for an emergency. Send your unit down here now. Go, go, go.
Oh, yes, I'm on the go-go.
Oh! Tama, Buzz, and Jojo to the rescue!
To the rescue!
Yeah. Kia ora, everyone. I'm Auntie Anika. Sorry I'm so late. I actually had to stop and rescue a worm from the footpath. Oh. Now, it's very important that you drink enough water. That's better. Being a hero is such thirsty work. How much water do you drink, brave heroes? Oh, that's heaps. Kapwe, us heroes need to stay hydrated. Do you know that word? Hydrated. It means to keep your body topped up with lots of lovely fresh water. Water is good for your roro and it's good for your tinana. Which is good for the whole world because the world needs more heroes. Be a hero, drink water. Save the worms. Ka kite anō.
I'm the fastest woodahee in town.
I'm the fastest rapidity. Let's go!
Let's go!
Pew. Whoa! Wolfie, that's very fast. Watch where you're going.
Oh, 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 oh. Ow, 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 ow.
Oh no, Wolfie. Are you okay?
Oh, I banged my knee.
Oh.
It hurts.
Oh.
Ow, ow.
Oh, never fear. Dr. Orma is here. Can I have a look at your knee? Can I touch your knee? Okay.
Oh. Oh.
There you go.
Oh, you're my hero, Orma. Thank you. That feels so much better.
Now, what's your speed this time? You better go to safer speed.
Oh, no way. I'm the fastest woodahee in town. Zoom. Zoom.
Uh-oh.
I may not be a hero like you see on TV. I don't have super strength. I don't have super speed. But I can do so many things. I learn more every day. I'm kinda like a hero in my own special way. Can you jump really high? Can you jump really high? Can you jump really high? What makes you a hero? Can you run really fast? Can you run really fast? Can you run really fast? What makes you a hero? I may not be a hero like you see on TV. I don't have super strength. I don't have super speed, but I can do so many things. I learn more every day. I'm kinda like a hero in my own special way. Can you tidy up your room? Can you tidy up your room? Can you tidy up your room? What makes you a hero? Can you make people laugh? Can you make people laugh? Can you make people laugh? What makes you a hero? I may not be a hero like you see on TV. I don't have super strength. I don't have super speed, but I can do so many things. I learn more every day. I'm kinda like a hero in my own special way. I'm kinda like a hero in my own special way.
All right. Do you know
Okay,
the
wait.
directions?
Remember to turn your siren on, Tama, so everyone knows you're coming.
Good idea. Hey, Mohio,
Tēnā koe, Tama. How can I help?
what does a siren sound like?
Emergency vehicles such as fire engines, ambulances, and police cars all have a siren that sounds like this.
Oh!
And sometimes if the emergency vehicle is coming up to a busy area with lots of cars and people, it will sound like this to get everyone's attention.
Oh! Got it. Thanks, Mohio.
Hey, Jojo. Do you want to play What's in the Box? All you have to do is reach in the box and try to guess what's in it without looking.
Okay, sounds like fun. As long as there's nothing in there with sharp teeth.
Oh, there's nothing scary in there, I promise.
It's a bag. Feels like some sort of material. It has a zipper and a handle.
Well, is there anything inside the bag?
Oh, I can feel plasters, bandages, tweezers. All the things you need if you hurt yourself. Is it a first aid kit?
Aye, it's a first aid kit. Wow, cool. Can you see the cross on the top? That
That makes it easy to see that it's a first aid kit and has medical supplies in it. Ooh. Plasters to cover cuts or scrapes while they heal. Oh, bandages if you hurt your arm, your hands, leg, foot, you wrap it around to protect it. See? And tweezers. In case you get a prickle or a splinter, the tweezers help gently pull it out so that it doesn't hurt anymore. There is one very important thing that's not in this box, Maya. Something you really need when you hurt yourself. What's that, Jojo? A hug. Oh, but I didn't hurt myself.
But heroes always deserve hugs, Maya. And you're my hero.
Oh, thanks, Jojo. You're my hero too.
Kia ora koutou, I'm Anika Moa. Everyone has a hero, eh? Who's your hero? Oh, they sound awesome. Do you know who my hero is? My doctor. My doctor helps me when I'm hurt, mum mai, or not feeling well, maiwiwi. Here's a song I wrote about them.
I'm not feeling it well. Cough, cough, coughing away. My mama said I have to go to the doctor so they can check that I'm okay. My face is really hot, and my throat is raw. Cough, 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 cough. My body is aching all over, and my head is really sore. We're in the waiting room, tip-top, tip-top, and I'm wearing a mask, so that I don't spread all my germs. It's not a hard ask. The doctor sees me now. Please come with me. They check me over real good. Thank you, thank you. They tell me to stay in bed and rest, and to eat ice cream and read books. Thank you, doctor. 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 Kia ora.
I think I'm better now.
I know what that sound means. Ooh, Lola has sent us a new video message. Let's watch it.
Hi everyone! I love heroes and heroines. These two on my bed are one of my favorites. We've got Aladdin and Belle. Belle is a great heroine because she saved her father and she's really sweet to the beast, so that makes him change his ways. Aladdin is a good hero because he saves Jasmine. I like him because he's kind and he's quite cheeky. And also, he is really loyal. And that one makes him a good hero and a good written character. My brother Louis also likes heroes.
Hi, I'm Louis, Lola's brother. A lot of people think heroes are just people like Superman, but my heroes are my mum and dad because I wouldn't exist without them.
I think a good hero is kind, loyal, honest, and helps others.
Yes? Oh, ko te wā pūrākau tēnei, and we just love story time! Looking left and right. Nico and Jade hold their mum's hand, ready to cross the road. They are off to see the digger down the road. Look left, their mum says. Now right. Jade and Nico copy their mum. And left again. Any cars? Asks their mum. No, say Jade and Nico. Walking, not running, says their mum. And over they go, off to see the digger down the road. Ziggy the cat, who thinks he is a dog, wants to go too. Ziggy looks left. A red car races past. Ziggy looks right. And another car zooms past. Off to see the digger, the most wonderful digger in the world, sings their mum. Once there, they stare as the digger attacks the building. Large chunks of the building fall to the ground. Nico claps. Then the digger stops and everyone stops working and starts eating. Milkshakes, pies, sandwiches, apples. Oh, Jade's tummy rumbles and Nico wants an up cuddle. And as they leave, Nico waves at the digger driver eating his sandwich and the digger driver waves back. Ziggy looks left. A truck. Ziggy looks right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cyclists whiz past. Off to have a sandwich, the most wonderful sandwich in the world, sings their mum. Ziggy looks left, and then right, and then left again, and puts his paw out. No! Yells Jade, Ziggy. No! Yells Jade, Nico, and Mum all at once. Ziggy freezes, his paws halfway out, and a car zooms by. Phew! Once on the other side, Jade scoops Ziggy up. Kids, cats and dogs don't cross the road on their own, Jade tells Ziggy. Always wait for an adult and never cross the road on your own, says Mum. They all agree, nodding.
Hi, Edita, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi wha.